Hi friends, hope you all keeping fine. Today I'll be showing you a fancy jewelry set comprising of a necklace, a pair of earrings and a bangle. Now I use the term fancy, that is because today I'll be dealing with a jewelry set that is made up of mainly safety pins and beads. So it is a very simple project, and by the time I come to the end of the video, you will realize that jewelry making is such a easy task. So I'll just show you some of the items that I have made so that you get a better idea what we are going to make exactly. So you can just have a look at this necklace. This I made around 5-6 years ago, and still it is looking pretty. And this here I have made use of sugar beads, glass sugar beads in fact. And here you can see some earrings. I have used crystal beads for this, and these are some bangles. Here I have used again sugar beads, and here I used Mona Lisa beads. So talking of beads, you can just go for any beads of your choice. Today you can see that I have also worn a jewelry that is made up of these safety pins. It comprises of this necklace, pair of earrings, and you can also see a matching bangle. So we will now have a look at the materials that we need for making these jewelry pieces. So the first thing that we need is of course the safety pins. That goes without saying. You need plenty of them, and then you need this beads. So here you can see I have a collection of assorted beads. These are the sugar beads. Then here I have plenty of beads, and this bead, of course, this is made up of clay, and in fact you are interested in clay beads, I'll give you a link in the description box. You can have a look there. But otherwise you can go, as I said earlier, you can go in for any beads of your choice. There are plenty of choices available in the market. And then you need this nose plier, and you also need this cutting plier. They are meant specifically for making this jewelry pieces. So these are the common things that we need. Then I'll come to the materials needed item wise. For making the earrings, you need the this earring hook that I'll show you. I already discussed about these hooks in many of my jewelry making videos. So these are the hooks. They come in different metals. That is, you get it in golden shade, silver shade, black metal, and all that. And then for making this earrings, you also need a thing called jump rings. So these are the jump rings, and they are basically very delicate metal rings, and they are used extensively in jewelry making. They are used to connect two pieces of jewelry items that you can see as we proceed along in the video. So for making this bangle, here I'll be using this plastic bangle as a base, and over this plastic bangle I'll be fixing the safety pins that is filled with these beads. Okay, and for that attaching, you can use this gum also. It's not that mandatory, but still you can go in for that. And then for the necklace, you can see that the necklace, it has to have a back chain. So this back chain, again, it comes in different models. You get it in silver, brass color, golden color, black metal, and all that. You can go in for simple rings like this. I'll show you. You can get it as a back chain like this. It will come, you can buy it like this. You can cut it to your desired length and add the hook to make a chain. Or you get the back chains like this. You can see the chain that I am wearing. This is again a back chain. And then you can attach this the necessary locket or this piece onto that. So then the another important thing that you need for making this type of jewellery is a gear wire. I am using gear wire. You can make jewellery using thread and all that, but once you attach so many these safety pins full of these beads, what happens is it becomes quite heavy, and so it is better that you go for this gear wire. So this is also used extensively in jewellery making. It is nothing but a strong metal wire. This also comes in like silver shade, golden shade, bronze, and different colors it comes. And then since this is metal, you cannot tie a knot and fix the these beads onto it. So for that you need to have gear lock. So this gear locks, it comes in packet like this. And gear lock is nothing but very tiny beads that is made of metal, and I'll show you how to use that as we proceed along in the video. So that's it. So now let us start with the earrings first. So first what we have to do is we have to open this safety pin, and then you have to keep inserting the beads of your choice. So here I'll be inserting a combination of these beads. I'll be using just a moment. I'll be using these beads, a combination of big beads and small beads. These are crystal beads, so I'll be inserting it. So here I can fill only 5 beads here, so I'll now close like this. So I have made plenty of safety pins with these beads. Now I'll tell you how to arrange them and convert it into a earring like this. So for that, you can see this is the earring that I am going to make. Here I used only 2 safety pins. You can use single safety pin. You can go in for 3, you can go in for 4. That is entirely up to you. But here I'll be using, since I use somewhat bigger beads here, I am just going in for 2 safety pins like this. So for that you need to have this jump rings. So as I told you earlier, this is a delicate ring. So this ring we have to separate it. You have a gap at the top here. You'll just separate it like this. So now you can see. Now I'll be inserting these safety pins into this jump ring. So now I'll be making use of this hook. You can see this hook. So this hook I'll insert this hook also into this jump ring. Now what I have to do is I'll simply tighten this. I'll use this nose plier and I will tighten. I'll just close this gap. Now I close the gap using this nose plier, and our earring is ready. So I will show you the other set also. So you can see that the pair of earrings is ready. So you can see the 3 pair of earrings. Now let us go on to our next item, that is bangle. So bangles, they can be made in different ways. Bangles or bracelets. Bracelets are generally made by using a elastic wire or elastic thread. Even I have made plenty of jewellery items using that elastic wire, but the problem is that it loses its elasticity after some time, and that breaks off also. So I thought why not use this bangle as a base. So what I will be doing is I'll be applying some gum. Any gum will do. Actually, this is not quite necessary, but I'm doing it just to fix one or two like this. So these here I already kept some items ready like this. So what I have to do is I'll just open this first and I will keep it like this and fix it to this. See, I fixed one to this. So I'll keep applying gum and do the same process again and again. So now you can fix this in two ways. Here I have kept the head and the tail like this. You can go like this, or you can keep one head and then one tail. You can just have a look here. You can see the head is here, one head and then one tail, one head, one tail, like that. That is, you have to reverse this. I'll just show you. If I keep two like this, you can keep two in this direction. It is entirely up to you. Then you get it in a zigzag form like this. You get it in a zigzag form. Otherwise, you can keep it in the same direction. Here I'll be keeping it in the same direction. I'll just show you. I have to open this. And keep fixing like this. You have to apply gum in between. So that it stays in place, and then keep repeating the same process. So now you have to keep repeating the same till we reach the other side. So here I have a finished item. So this is the bangle that I have almost similar. Here I have used assorted colors in a single needle. Here I have gone in for one color in one particular needle, that's all. But the final look will be something like this. I'll just show you. So it looks quite gaudy. So now we'll move on to our next item, that is our necklace. So here I have a long chain like this. So I will cut it into half so that I get two back chains. So I will make use of this cutting plier and I will cut like this. So this is a very handy tool. So now I have two separate chains like this. So this will act as our back chain. Now I'll tell you how to make use of this gear wire. So this is the gear wire, and now we have to make use of this gear lock. So I told you before, this is a small bead that is made up of metal. So what I'll be doing is I'll just insert first I will decide how much length I need. So you can go in for some extra length that you can adjust later on. So I'll cut it here. So I'll keep this aside, and this is our length. I have taken a bit extra. Later on I will cut it. Now I will tell you how to make use of this. First we have to insert this metal wire through this gear lock. So that I have done. Now I will insert this wire through this metal chain. You can see. Now what I am doing is I am joining this wire to this back chain. Now I will bend this and bring it through this gear lock again. See now? See now both the wire, it is like this. So now I have tightened it. See, this chain and this metal wire, they have become a single unit now. Now I will make use of this plier and I will simply press it. So this bead becomes flat and it gets locked. So that is the main purpose of this gear lock. So now we can make our necklace. So here I have made plenty of safety pins like this, so that we will arrange and then we will make our necklace. So first I will insert a crystal bead over here. So I'll bring it to the other side. Now you can see that I have two wires like this. I'll try to insert both through this. Inserted the first one. Now I'll go in for four of this. That is entirely up to you. You can use one green and one red, but today I'll be going in for four green, 4 red, like that. So I'll be arranging the chain like this, 4 green and then 4 red. In between I'll be putting these small crystal beads, red crystal beads in between. So I'll show you. Now I have this safety pin. Next I'll put this red bead. Next is this safety pin. Again bead. Again safety pin. So you can see it will look like this. I'll show you. It will look like this. Now let me insert this red also. Now you can see this chain. Now I'll just tell you how to finish this. So the method is the same. I'll just make use of this gear lock. I'll insert this wire through this gear lock. Now I'll take the other chain. Now this end, I'll just put it through this hole again. See, now I have the other end also. Now you have to pull this. I'll just show you. Just pull it. Pull the other side. Again. So you have to bring this gear lock to this place, to this point. See, now it is almost complete. Now you just arrange it again and see if it is okay. And once you feel that it is okay, you have to just press this gear lock so that it stays in place. I'll just make use of this plier and I will just press it so that this becomes flat. Now our necklace is ready. This extra wire I'll cut it using this. So now our necklace is ready. I'll just put it here so that you get a better view. So this is the necklace. So you can, like this, the method is the same. You can just use different combinations. You can use different pearls, different beads, and then you can make the necklace of your choice. Now this necklace will be complete only when you fix the hooks into it. So you can use this S-type hooks, or you can go in for hooks like this. You get it in different shades. So here I will be using this S-type. So you can adjust the chain. If you feel that the chain is quite long, you can cut it like this. Here I will be using this long chain, and then one end of the hook you can put here, and the other end. You can just close this and our necklace is ready. So now you can see the necklace that we made just now, and you can use two pair of earrings. You can go in for red color, or you can go in for green color. You can see another type of necklace. Here I have to add in some more safety pins, and then you have to add the back chain, and this necklace will be something like this. So that's all for the time being. I hope you got an idea how easy it is to make your own jewellery sets, your own jewellery pieces right in the comforts of your home. And I hope you will definitely give it a try. In case you have any doubts, you can ask me in the comment section, and I will try to clarify your doubts. So that's it. I'll be back again with similar videos very soon. Till then, take care, have a nice day, and thank you for watching my video.